Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum Classic, we are trading at $20.76. So far, 24-hour volume, we're down 15% and market cap, we're up 2.57%. So in this video, I'm going to go into immediate short term for 4 hours and take a look at the momentum building up in our daily time frame. So taking quickly a look at our 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price itself is going in an upwards direction, coming up to an area of resistance here. So the resistance level that we can see is based on our fib chart here at 61%, which is at $20.81. So we can see a few areas here that reacted as an area of resistance, that barrier itself. And in the next couple of hours, we are going to see if we're going to break above it in numerous candlesticks. Up here, we can see at the outskirts at the $20.97 is a known area of resistance. Again, a few of our peaks here dating back on March 14th has seen a rejection from this line. Now, if we take a look at our MACD indicator, we can see the MACD indicator itself has opened up into a green histogram and we are above 0%. So that is going to help the retest of this resistance line. And of course, if we take a look at this 4-hour time frame in this candlestick, the body itself is mainly at the very top, which does show us the strength of the buyers trying to push the price as high as it can here. For example, if we see this candlestick here, the activity was found mainly at the bottom, which shows a lot of selling pressure in that 4-hour time frame. So it is looking good. We may see a high swing candlestick or a wick at the very top here. However, we may be considered as overbought, as we can see from our Bollinger Bands. That's basically at the upper band itself. When we narrow in on the RSI, we can see the RSI is coming up to the 80%. So again, in the territory of being overbought. So we may see a high swing candle or the wick at the very top here may see a correction. So long as we are staying above this trend line here, then we are going to continue in this uptrend and then break above the 61%. Once we take a look at our supply and demand zones using our fixed volume profile, which are these gray lines or these gray bars at the very side here, we can be able to see two distinct areas that's going to be treated as supply areas, supply and demand, and we can already see it is above that resistance line. So if the price for Ethereum Classic is able to break above the 61% of our fib and make numerous candlesticks closing above the 61%, it is going to go as high as the $21.37. If we do see that rejection from this line, because we can see numerous rejection as the price was peaking at this area, then we are most likely going to drop the price down into this next area of supply. And that's right just slightly above the 50% that we can see there. And the price range that we are looking at for that area of support is $20.31 up to the $20.64. And we can see so long as we are staying within this trend line, the uptrend is going to continue. Now, quickly taking a look on our daily time frame, because it did signal a buying opportunity with the RSI indicator at the very top here. So we can see that the K line itself narrowed downwards into the D line. However, it did pivot in an upwards direction. And when that occurred here, it actually sparked some interest in our MACD indicator with a darker green histogram. But most importantly, we can see that our MACD and our signal line is retracing above 0%. So that is going to give us that momentum in coming up into this next area of body that we essentially want to get into. And already we can see on a daily time frame, some of our candlestick wicks were rejected at this line. However, when we take a look at the body so far in today's candlestick compared to the previous candlestick action, there is a lot of buyers getting into the market. That's why there's not a whole lot of wicks at the very top here. It's basically a shaven top or just that small little wick. So we do have that buying pressure. And again, hopefully in the 4-hour time frame, in order for us to achieve going into this area as high as the 21.37, essentially, again, we do need those candlesticks to close above very, very strongly. So that's my quick video here for Ethereum Classic. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.